Y'all stay tuned. Thank you.
I'm gonna puke, babe.
I hear it.
Sorry, everybody. I was cooking and my dog puked on my foot. Real life. Okay, we're gonna get back into this recipe. I was going too much onion. Crying. Oh my god. It's so strong. Just stand over there for a minute. Holy crap. Those are strong. Ooh.
Yummy.
Holy crap. Strong. Okay. I can you like I need to put these in there. Okay. And then you put it in there. And you do you want to taste?
Mm-hmm.
Because this is what happens. It's got to ferment, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, there's not enough juices in it. But when you let it sit for about, I don't know, 30 minutes, an hour, all the juices start fermenting.
Mm-hmm.
It's very pickly.
Oh, yeah, put those lid on with the camera. Okay, let me change angles.
Ever since I put that.
Oh, they're all on video now.
Not yet.
Look, I got Luna on video.
I just gotta do a presentation and then I'm done with this recipe. This is our
Put my
life.
shoes up. Behind the scenes right now.
It is behind the scenes right now. Oh, you have no idea what we've had to screen out of the videos.
Editing the noises out.
Oh, you want to know what happened earlier when we were actually making the recipe?
What?
Bella came over here and puked on my foot in the middle of me making a recipe. Like, puked all over my foot.
Really?
Yeah, and we had to stop recording, and I had to go wash my foot, and we had to clean up puke. Reality.
Why did you do that?
I don't know why, because she went over there and drank a bunch of water, and she came over here, and she just walked over here and literally puked on my foot. I couldn't believe it. I was like...
Couldn't be any better perfect.
Well, I mean, this is what I'm saying. This is reality. This is what always happens. It is not perfect. What you guys see on our videos? Oh, no. There's so much more that went into that. I wish we would have had that on camera.
That would have been behind the scenes.
You're right. This is what happens behind the scenes. Dog pukes on foot. Okay, so I'm going to take it out. Did you hurry up?
What? Hold on.
I'm going to do like that Instagram that I saw where the teacher, he was going down the hall and they saw him and he was just stood there. And before he entered the classroom, he was like, and he walked right in. I was like, that's how I am on camera.